According to Robert Schuller, the hardest struggle of all is to be something different from what the average man is. Many people who succeed in seemingly impossible conditions are people who simply don't know how to quit. A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus. And another great philosopher, Charles Swindoll, adduced, wisdom is God-given ability to see life with rare objectivity and handle life with rare stability. The above aphorisms affirms the super qualities of a golden personality. Very Reverend Father Professor Bona Uchenna Umogo, a professor of philosophy and respected authority in African and Western metaphysics, god of philosophical sobriety, a metaphysicist metaphysician, the man who stole fire from the gods. Very Reverend Father Professor Bona Uchenna Umogo, PhD in African metaphysics in 1999, MA Western Metaphysics 1993, MA New Testament Exegesis 2018, Bachelor's in Philosophy, Santa Cruz University, Rome 1989, Bachelor's in Theology, Santa Cruz University, Rome 2009, Diploma in Latin, Rome 1983. Father Bona, a renowned polyglot and the pedagogue of no mean repute, served as Lecturer 1 from 1999 to 2002, Lecturer 2 from 2002 to 2005, Senior Lecturer 2005 to 2011, all at Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. And he became a professor in 2012. Many years HOD Philosophy, UNIZIK. He is presently the Dean Faculty of Arts, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, and Director of the Directorate, Igbo Village and Center for African Civilization. Father Bona shall dive deeper than diver into high profundity of philosophical wisdom on the phenomenalistic and symbolismic odyssey of Kola Nut. Vis-a-vis definition of Kola Nut, politics of Kola Nut origin, Kola Nut lives and meanings, morphology and symbolism, the uses of Kola Nut, nature and properties of Kola Nut, a re-origin of Kola Nut, and lots more. Very Reverend Father Professor Bona Christus Umogo Muna Madu shall therefore deliver a lecture in the 50th Golden Inaugural Lecture of UNIZIK captioned Kola Nut in Igbo Metaphysics, a phenomenalistical research into his symbolismic universe.
Kola Nut, especially Igbo Kola Nut, has an essential property, which simply means that it's a sacred symbol of Igbo reality. You can find out that when something is sacred, what it means is that you have separated that thing from the profane use and dedicated it to the sacred.
Metaphysics is the science of suprasensible reality, and whatever is suprasensible is sacred. In Igbo culture and tradition, the Kola Nut is sacred because the Kola Nut contains life in it. So we chose Kola Nut in Igbo metaphysics so as to show the quintessential position of Kola Nut in Igbo culture and tradition. Kola Nut is sacred in Igbo understanding. So for one to understand Igbo reality, the philosophy must circle around the Kola Nut. Oboji jikọtara ife niile dị na ndụ ndị Igbo. Onye kpatara eji agọ ife na-atọ agọ na Igbo. N'ozi ọzọ a na-agọ agọ na-abụrụ ife na-atọ. A na-agọ mmụọ, a na-agọ ọfọ, a na-agọ ọjị.
Father Bona is an international professor of Igbo religion, well-grounded in Igbo culture and tradition. He is going to deliver on Kola Nut in Igbo metaphysics. There is no doubt about that. It's beautiful.
Woman Igbo gadeleleno, woman Igbo gade, good number negelumbani, woman anoji gadio, wokwanoji kandi bojayo chukwi mbe bulubo, woji kanyi je pepele mbe bulubo, woji ka Igbo ji ayọ Chukwu ibe Chukwu ama meela anya Igbo bụ Igbo n'ọjị abịa Fada bụ na ga-agwa anyị ibe dị n'ọjị mmụọ na mmadụ ga-awala anyị ọjị ka ọ gwa anyị ibe dị n'ọjị ka na anụlụ onye agwala ka o kwe ụmụ Igbo ka anyị na-alụ ụlọ.
The Vice Chancellor, on behalf of the Senate, staff and students of Nnamdi Azikiwe University cordially invite gentlemen and ladies, chiefs and elders, traditional rulers and presidents general to this inaugural lecture on Kolanut in Igbo metaphysics by Very Reverend Father Professor Bonakrisu Sumogo, Dean Faculty of Arts, UNIZIK, under the chairmanship of Professor Charles O. Esimone, Vice Chancellor Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. Date: Thursday, 26 September 2019. Venue: University Auditorium, UNIZIK, Awka. Time as from 11 a.m. prompt.